Biology project presented by students of class 9E group 4. Our topic is water pollution. Name, roll number and topic presented by the particular students. Biology roll number 17 definition. Devjit Kumar roll number 18 cause of water pollution. Ekta Kumari roll number 19 effects of water pollution on human. Harshita Sinha roll number 20 effects of water pollution on aquatic animals. Himanshu Raj Dubey roll number 21 step taken by the general public. Kumail Shvanshi Raj roll number 22 elaboration of step taken by the general public. Lecture roll number 23 step taken by the government. Mahi Singh roll number 24 elaboration of the step taken by the government to reduce the water pollution.
Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other bodies of water, degrading water quality and rendering it toxic to human or the environment.
Causes of water pollution. Water pollution is caused due to discharge of domestic and industrial effluent waste, leakage from water tanks, marine dumping, radioactive waste, and atmospheric deposition. These are some of the major causes of water pollution. Toxins in industrial waste are the major cause of immunosuppression, reproductive failure, and acute poisoning. Heavy metals that are disposed of in industrial waste can accumulate in lakes and rivers, providing harmful to humans and animals. Infectious diseases like cholera, typhoid fever in adults, diseases are caused by water pollution. As we can see in the following picture, all the agricultural and home waste have been dumped into the water bodies which pollute them. Major sources of water pollution are as follows: domestic sewage, industrialization, population growth, rapid use of pesticides and fertilizers, dumping of plastic and polythene bags, urbanization.
Effects of water pollution on human beings. Scarcity of water, water table depletion, drinking water is contaminating by chemical waste. A person who injects toxin in their body, water can be at risk of cancer, altered brain function, hormone disruption.
Effects of water pollution on aquatic animals. Organic matter and nutrients causes an increase in aerobic algae and depletes oxygen from the water column. This causes the suffocation of fish and other aquatic organisms. Sulfate particles from acid rain can cause harm the health of marine life in the rivers and lakes it contaminates and can result in mortality.
Avoid pouring cooking fat, oil, or ghee down the sink. Keep a jar for storing fatty or greasy substance and dispose of them in solid waste when fall. Second number, avoid car wash at places where the water directly flows on the streets. Third number, chemicals materials coming out from the factory should not flow into rivers or sea.
Evaporation of steps taken by the general public. We should avoid pouring cooking oil or ghee down the sink because we are using wastewater to again change into clean water by different steps. So, if we pour oil or ghee, it is difficult to clean. We should avoid car washing at place where the water directly flows onto the street. We should wash our car where the water flows on the grass. Chemical materials coming out from the factory should not flows into river or sea because it will harm aquatic animals and plants.
Steps taken by the government. Preparation of action plans for sewage management and restoration of water quality in aquatic resource by state government. Financial assistance for installation of common effluent treatment plants for cluster of small-scale industrial units. The most important step of government was the Ganga Action Plan. Implementation of National Lakes Conservation Plans and National Wetland Conservation Programs for conservation and management of identified lakes and wetland in the country.
Elaboration of steps taken by government to reduce water pollution. Government issued the sewage treatment process for removing contaminants from municipal wastewater containing mainly household sewage plus some industrial wastewater so that they can't contaminate the fresh water and clean water. Government also issued financial assistance for industries for installation of contaminants where they will charge money from industries if they discharge any chemical or contaminants in water. Government also issued some directions for implementation of zero chemical and pesticides in water like dispose chemical waste only after making it fully detoxic. People should not wash their kettles or clothes in river or other source of water. Farmers should not use excess of fertilizer, etc. The most important and popular step by government was the Ganga Action Plan that was announced by the government in June 2014 budget. An estimated rupees 2,958 crores have been spent until July. Thank you very much for watching our video.